my name's Rachel. I'm with Artsway Manufacturing, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about our high-speed defoliator. The 1222 has some new features on it that we're really excited to show you about. First off, we have our new front doors. We just redesigned them to be easier access and just work a lot better than they have in the past. We have these T-handles to hold the door down so you don't have to worry about any problems. These easy grip handles for when you're opening the door. Then you can just go ahead and open it easily and work on your machine. We're really excited about our new centralized grease banks right down here. Instead of crawling under the machine and greasing them in different locations, we've ran all the pieces into one spot to make maintenance easy and quick. Next up, we have our belt box doors on the side. We made them easier to use. You see we have the T-handle here again. Down on the bottom, we have our latches. Open, twist on both of them. You can lock them if that's necessary for you. They open up with ease. Hinges, super smooth to use, no problem at all. And then you can get right in and work on your belts and have them covered when they need to be and easily accessed when you want to get to them and fix something. Here we have our knife scalper sets. If you prefer, we also do offer the disc scalpers. So we can meet your preference on whichever one you like better to make sure that it has that nice clean top cut before you lift it out of the ground. And here you'll see our steerable axle, which allows for precise movement in the fields. Thanks everybody for listening in. You can visit artsway-ag.com for more information or contact your local Artsway dealer to upgrade your equipment.